This is what it's all about. He's tucking. You know, I'm Jigsaw-fish. This is the Goldfish. I feel like that's not a cop. It is a cop. Ladies and gentlemen, Jigsaw-fish back at it again. I'm out here with my homie on the Z400, a little small bike. It's a fun bike though. He won't let me wheelie it, but I mean, that's fair, bro. That's fair. I'm still learning. Still learning on this bike. Wave. We're about to go fill up gas. We're gonna pull it to the dispensary, and then we're going to Best Buy so I can buy some more batteries for this camera right here, and a quick charger. And then later, I'm hopping on the Jigsaw, and we're gonna go do a little car meet. Look how cool this guy is. Buddy, that's his first bike. He's had it for like well over a couple years. He used to commute on it every day, but now he has a little Civic he likes to commute on. But he's a real rider. He's a real 400 rider. Street killer. Woo! That truck smells bad. Hell yeah. I wish my Jigsaw made pops and burbles, and I still need to get the tune and the cat delete. Alright, we made it here. This car is running with nobody in it and a phone. Good thing we're not thieves. Alright, we moving on. Womp womp. I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna be a traveling YouTuber with both my bikes in the back and a bed. Dude, that's gonna be the life. It's gonna happen. I'm manifesting that right now. I got it on recording. If I don't have that in a few years, y'all can leave a comment. Be like, whatever happened to your dream idea? Well, what happens to most people's dreams? They get crushed like a crushed red pepper. Oh dude, I love this bridge. Should I do it? Should I do it? It's been done.
You see the Revit truck?
Yeah. Fire. Revit.
Turn it off.
Oh. Yeah, I should probably do that too. Mine's at 223 degrees. I'll turn her off. I gotta put it back in neutral. Alright, we're good. This guy. Y'all seen that? He was laughing at that. He stalled it. He stalled it. Hashtag biker girl. GoPro batteries. Sweet. Thank you. 2 Enduros, 13. Yep. Hello. How's it going? It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful day. Look at them beautiful bikes. Beautiful day to be on some beautiful bikes. But yeah, dude, I'm hyped on this backpack. He liked the wheelie. Do a wheelie!
Whoa.
He's taking off. I'm gonna do a wheelie. Now I gotta catch up. He's tucking. He's tucking. He was there when I crashed. I should ask him to tell you guys about it. This bike I'm on, I hooped it. So yeah, I looped my bike in front of some girls who work at a beauty school. And you know what they say about girls who work at beauty schools? I mean, it kind of just goes in the name of it. Let's get it. Go, 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 go. 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 This is what it's all about. I'm gonna be hopping on that Gixxer and then we're taking it out to a car meet. Alright, since y'all missed it, or I f***ed it up, I forgot to do the bike reveal without the lens cap off. So here it is, the Gixxer 750. So and then I sold my first bike and then I got the stunt bike, the one I was riding earlier. Oh, getting hot. Anyway, there's a Yoshi exhaust on it, still got the cat, and it still needs a tune. And I get a lot of because it's got EDR performance stickers on it, which is a place that tunes bikes, but it still doesn't need to have a tune. And then I also get a lot of because it has 750 fairings on it. It's not a 750, it's a 600. But I mean, might as well be once I get it tuned, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, fuck fentanyl. G59 to the grave, street killers, Suzuki, GSXR Jixer. I call it the Goldfish because, you know, I'm Jixer fish. This is the Goldfish. Goldfishes aren't even gold, you know that? They're orange, and that's my bike's orange, so that's why I'm Jixer fish. This is the Goldfish. Got my Guardian belt up top. Everyone kind of gives me shit for that too, but you know what? People give me shit, I just laugh it off. It's kind of funny. But y'all know what's up. I just cleaned this baby. So yeah, I'm pulling up to this car meet. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get gas. This is my turn. Yep, go get some gas over here and probably just park my bike to the side. I'm ending it here and then I'm gonna restart it once I have the new filter on. Jixer fish, back at it again. Just got the new filter on. Hopefully the camera footage looks fire. On my way to the car meet / motorcycle meet. I'm a part of this group called V-Style, so I show up a few times a week. This is one of them. Hopefully soon I'll be able to show up a lot more because I want to eventually do YouTube like full-time basically, or do something. Maybe start a Patreon just so I can get some money, man. If y'all are down to see some I'll do some for money. Money is what I need. Y'all know what I mean? It's real easy to do stuff on this bike, and I love it. I don't really care. I'll get pulled over, I'll pull over. Probably. Within reason, you know, like, you know what, let's just avoid this topic for now. I don't know, man. You just gotta make these cuts. I feel like that's not a cop. It is a cop. This is a funny situation. It's always situational. Big YouTubers out there, they're fun to listen to and watch and shit. They really got me into what I'm doing right now, which is sitting behind a cop on a motorcycle because I don't want to go by him and let him see that I don't have a plate. But I do have a plate, he just probably won't see it. Yeah, I think I need a new helmet. I'm all ready for that Alpine Stars A10 helmet, R10. I think it's like $1,000. I've seen them on Marketplace for like 700, 800, and they get snagged up real quick. Oh, he's taking the exit. I gotta assess the traffic before I really go start cutting it. I could totally just dance through this traffic. Some of that off. Excuse me. Yeah, Honda. Yeah. Yeah, dude. It's always hype. Yep. Even the car up front. Interesting. No exhaust. I'm almost tempted to do a wheelie too. I gotta show you guys my wheelies on this bike. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Peace, peace. See you later. Oh, there's a cop. I'm all the way at the back. There's nobody behind me. And there's like 100 cars in front of me. Yep. This is AP. Oh shit, he got a fire clip of me pulling up. This is Kai. What's up, Kai?
Let me guess, just the 750 fairing?
Yeah, I got it like that. I'm pretty hyped on it. I've had a lot of fun. I also got an FZ-07 for doing wheelies and stuff. I'm a fan of Gixxers now that I have one. I'm a little biased, but they're pretty damn reliable. Can you see the thing? This is just starting. I literally just started at 6:30. I think it's not even 6:30 yet. So I'll be here for a while, but we're gonna get some clips of some other bikes and shit. We'll see what else we got going on. It's gonna be sick. We got all the bikes here. I'm gonna do a little walkthrough of all the bikes. CBR 600RR. What was your name? Jensen. I think we met once. Once here, I think. I met you with Autumn. Or yeah, nice meeting you again. This is the homie. He's a little under the weather, but he still made it. Top Ramen ZX4R, give him a follow. Shout out V Style. He's the one who brought me into V Style. Look at this R3 in this beautiful color. It's like purple, blue. This is the cleanest R3 I've ever seen. This is the Gixxer meet. We got a lot of Gixxers here today. The R10 helmet. I'm gonna get one of those soon. Sinner. I think I got this guy on Instagram. I'll give him a shout out. I'll find him. And we got another Gixxer. I just met this guy today. Got another Gixxer. I just met the guy today too. R7. Then we got my baby right here. Gixxer 600 with the rare colorway. Oh yeah, this is the homie Thomas's ZX4R. And then we're on to this Gixxer 600 with the gray, super clean. This is Autumn Zoomies Gixxer 600 with the clean carbon helmet. ZX4R pulling out the Raya baddie. We got a Ninja 650, yet 500. R3, another one. We got the SM1000, baby. This thing's super clean. Stun it out. I don't even know what this is, but it's fire. Alright, we're almost done. Another S1000. 2 S1K fire. This is the homie Kai's S1K. We're gonna see a lot of this thing. I might ride this thing soon if he doesn't sell it. He's got H2s. He's got all kinds of bikes. He's the motherfucking goat right there. So is this guy. There's Top Spike, Top Ramen, ZX4R. We got the Ninja 600 RR, brand new. This is the homie's Interceptor. I know this guy. It's a big old bike, but it's sick. The thing definitely rips. This is the homie Austin Jixer. He mobs. He knows what he's doing. And that's about it for right now. So do a wheelie. Alright, peace out, y'all. What up? We back. I left the car meet and made a whole little video about it, but I forgot to take the lens cap off of my camera once again, so we're just gonna scratch that. And I think I'm gonna be on my way to this bar that some people are pulling up to. I got a lot of ideas for this channel. Y'all are gonna become my biggest fans, and then you're gonna pay for my Patreon, and I'm gonna give y'all exclusive content that can't go on YouTube. I mean, I'm gonna slip through the cracks as long as I can. Right now I have 0 followers, so I'm asking you to like this video, give me a subscribe, and I'm gonna come out with a new video like every week, if not more than 1 video a week, because I am in the middle of trying to maybe possibly cut down on my hours so that I can do this more, because this is what I love. My current job, I wouldn't say it's something I love. I like it, it's okay, it works, it pays the bills, kind of. Don't hit that guy, jeez. Maybe if you turned your lights on. I'm just out here. Once again, I need y'all to subscribe so I can hopefully quit my job and do this full time, because this is what I want to do. And if y'all don't like it, let me know what I can do better, because I'm fully committed to this. I don't really care. I'm really on the edge of like either quitting my job or stepping down from my manager position, just so that I can have more time off, because I am really sick of working all the time. Especially during the summer, it's just tedious to have to be stuck inside all day when I could be out riding motorcycles making content for y'all. Anyway, don't be lazy like me. Like this video, subscribe, support me, because if you don't support me, I don't know, I guess I have no support. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. Just because I can do a wheelie doesn't mean I should. It doesn't mean I should. Yeah, this is what it's about. You're out here being a demon on a motherfucking sport bike. Holy shit, that was a big ass bump. This guy's trying to keep up with me. I think it's a Prius, but I'm only going 95. He's passing me. Oh yeah. No, that's a Camry. But I got someone keeping up with me. What is that? You want some race? Hell yeah, I think he was just giving me a peace sign actually.